my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. So, what we are going to start in today's session, as you can see, we are going to start a new chapter. And the name of this new chapter is Northern Plains. I hope you revised your chapter 1 and chapter 2. In earlier these two chapters, we studied about Himalayas, okay, and about all the Himalayan and about all the states which lies in Himalayan, okay, ranges. Now, in this chapter, we are going to see the northern plains, okay, and what are the plains located at northern plains? They are your Satluj basin, your Ganga river basin, and your Brahmaputra basin. And why only Satluj, Ganga, and Brahmaputra? Because these are the three important and major rivers presented in northern plains. Okay, so shall we start the chapter? Come with me and start the chapter. Lying to the south of the Shivalik hills is a vast and fertile region. This region is called the Northern Plains. It stretches from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. It includes the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam. So, my dear students, we completed the topic of Himalayan ranges. Okay, so in those Himalayan ranges, we see the third range of Himalaya named as Lesser Himalaya or Shivaliks. Okay, so in the south of those Lesser Himalayan Shivalik ranges, there lies a very vast and fertile plain. Okay, so that vast and fertile plain is called as Northern Plains, and Northern Plains started from Punjab and ends. The Northern Plains started from Punjab, which is in west, and it ends. Okay, and it ends at Assam, which is located in east. Now the states which comes under Northern Plains, they are your Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam. So here you can see this is the map of our country India, means physical map, okay, and this is the location of your Northern Plains. Okay, this is the location of your Northern Plains. The soil of this plain is built on slit brought down by the rivers, and you know what, by which the soil of this northern plains are made up of, because we already know the northern plains are the most fertile plains. So what make them fertile? The silts, okay, so the silt means after a flood, okay, the silts which rivers brought with them, it makes fertile, okay, from the Himalayas. Such plains are called as alluvial plain. Now the soil, okay, the soil of this plain is built, okay, the soil of northern plain is absolutely based on the silts which brought by the rivers after flood and after rain, okay, so these are called as alluvial plain, okay, these are called as alluvial plain. Alluvial plain are very fertile. Beside the alluvial soil, the plain have plenty of water from the rivers flowing here. The rich soil and abundant water have made the northern plain suitable for agriculture. Okay, this is your plain area. So my dear students, you can see alluvial plain is the most fertile part of plain. Okay, here the silts brought by rivers after flood and rainfall deposited, okay, and which make alluvial plain a very fertile plain. Okay, and alluvial plains are appropriate for cultivation or agriculture or for farming purposes. Okay, and beside the alluvial plains, the northern plains have a rich source of water. Okay, so let's have a look. The rich source of water are our river basins. The northern plains can be divided into three river basins. A basin is an area watered by the river and its tributaries. There, see, just like Himalayan ranges are divided into three parts, similarly, your northern plain is all basins. Now, what is the meaning of basin? Basin means, my dear students, basin means in an area watered by the river and its territory. Means basin means a area, okay, a area which is getting water, okay, who gets water from the nearest flowing river and its tributaries. Okay, now what is the name of those three river basins? The first river basin is your Satluj basin. The river Satluj, along with its main tributary, the Bias, flows towards the southwest to join Indus River in Pakistan. Now see, the river Satluj, you know what is the meaning of tributary? Tributary means rivers are the main source of water. Okay, after some time they spread in a narrow strip of rivers. So that narrow strip of rivers is called as the tributaries of river. So here Satluj is the main river. Okay, Satluj is the main river, and Beas river. Beas flows towards the southwest, and Beas is the tributary of Satluj river. So when river Satluj flows, Beas river, which is a tributary of Satluj river, it joins Indus river in Pakistan. Okay, so both Satluj and Beas, both rivers join Indus river in Pakistan. Okay, the entire river basin is very fertile. So the entire river basin of Satluj river is very fertile. The main crops, the main crops grow here are wheat, rice, cotton, and sugarcane. The Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built across the river Satluj to irrigate large areas in Punjab and Haryana to produce electricity. The Indira Gandhi Canal, which starts from Satluj, provides water to many dry regions of Rajasthan. Now, see, my dear student, the Satluj River Basin is very important. Why? Because the Satluj River Basin is very much fertile. Okay, and here the main crops which grow are wheat, rice, cotton, and sugarcane. And the Bhakra Nangal Dam means the Bhakra and the Nangal. Okay, so the Bhakra and the Nangal combinedly called as the Bhakra Nangal Dam. It is built. Okay, it has built on the river Satluj for the generation of electricity. Okay, and Bhakra Nangal Dam is presented as Punjab. Okay, so Bhakra Nangal Dam was built on Satluj River for electricity purpose, and apart from them to provide the irrigation facility. And why they need to provide irrigation facility? To provide irrigation facility to the people of Punjab and Haryana for farming. Okay, and similarly, as you all know, Rajasthan is a desert area. The major portion of Rajasthan is covered with desert. So in deserts there are the scarcity of water. So to fulfill that scarcity of water, Indira Gandhi Canal, okay, Indira Gandhi Canal was constructed. So Indira Gandhi Canal also get its water from Satluj Basin. Okay, so this is all about your Satluj Basin. Here you can see this is your Bhakra Nangal Dam and this is your Indira Gandhi Canal. Bhakra Nangal Dam is used for giving irrigation facility to states like Punjab and Haryana, and Indira Gandhi Canal is an artificial canal. It is not a man-made canal. Sorry, it is not a natural canal. It is artificial or man-made canal constructed by humans to reduce the scarcity of water in Rajasthan. Okay. The Ganga is the most important river in the northern plain. The river originates from Gangotri Glacier in the Himalaya. Ganga is joined by Bhagirathi, Mandakini, Alaknanda, and many other rivers while it flows down the mountain. It enters the northern plain at Haridwar. The river Yamuna, the most important tributary of Ganga, joins it at Prayagraj. This place is called Sangam. Now, my dear student, Ganga is the most important river in northern plain. Okay, Ganga is the most important river in northern plain. Okay, so Ganga river originates from Gangotri Glacier, which is located in Himalayas. Okay, then Ganga is joined by three important rivers in Uttarakhand like Bhagirathi, Mandakini, and Alaknanda. And apart from these three main rivers, many other rivers also join Ganga. But here you can see Ganga is now flowing at mountains. But when Ganga came down in plain area, it came down plain area at a religious and holy place named as Haridwar. Okay, and at Haridwar, the river Yamuna. Okay, and at Haridwar, another sacred river Yamuna, which is the main tributary, which is the main and major tributary of Ganga river, joins Ganga at Prayagraj. Okay, as you all know, Prayagraj is famous for its Sangam. Okay, so you can see this is the origin of your river Ganga from Gangotri Glacier. Haridwar. At Haridwar, Ganga came at plain area from the mountains. And this is the Ganga at Varanasi. Varanasi is famous for its Ganga Ghats. Now, as the river flowed towards the east, many rivers such as Gandak, Gomti, Ghagra, and Koshi join it. The Ganga flows through the state of Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, and West Bengal. The flow of the river slows down when it reaches West Bengal. So, my dear students, as you can see, as the river flow towards the east, Ganga is coming from the north direction and now it's going in the east direction. So, when it goes towards the east direction, many other rivers like Gandak, Gomti, Ghagra, and Koshi, they also join Ganga river. Okay, in which the states through which Ganga river flows? Your Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar and West Bengal. Now the flow of Ganga river, okay, the flow of Ganga river slows down when it reaches West Bengal. Okay, so this is all about your Ganga basin. After Ganga basin comes the third important basin of northern plains, your Brahmaputra basin. The river Brahmaputra originates in Mansarovar Lake. It travels a long distance in Tibet before it enters India in Arunachal Pradesh. Turning southwards, it flows through Assam and enters Bangladesh. Here it joins the Ganga river. The two rivers together form the largest delta in the world. This area is known as the Sundarban Delta. Now see, my dear students, after Ganga basin, Brahmaputra basin comes. Now the river Brahmaputra, okay, so the river Brahmaputra originates from Mansarovar Lake. Okay, Mansarovar Lake is the origin place of Brahmaputra river. Okay, so Mansarovar is present in Tibet. So when Brahmaputra river originates from Mansarovar lake, it travels, okay, it covers a large portion of Tibet country, and in India, Brahmaputra enters through Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh is the gateway of entrance of Brahmaputra river. Okay, and after entering in India, Brahmaputra take a southward turn. Okay, Brahmaputra turns in south direction, and it covers the states of Assam and it covers the state of Assam, and after it enters in another country named as Bangladesh. Okay, and at Bangladesh, Brahmaputra river joins Ganga, and in Bangladesh they are known as Padmaganga. Okay, so Ganga and Brahmaputra, these two rivers, when combined, they form the largest delta of the world. Okay, so this delta is known as your Sundarban Delta. Okay, and Sundarban Delta is famous for two regions, your Royal Bengal tigers and Sundari tree. Okay, so here you can see the Brahmaputra river. See, the Brahmaputra river flows through the state of Assam, and this is your Sundarban tiger camp, famous for your Royal Bengal tigers. So my dear students, if you remember, I told you among Satluj, among Ganga and among Brahmaputra basin, why Ganga river is most important. Because my dear students, just have a look and try to remember it. Satluj river with Beas river, okay? Satluj and Beas, when combined, okay, they join Indus river, okay, and Indus river then flows to Pakistan. Okay, so major portion of Satluj basin covered Pakistan area, okay, and after Brahmaputra basin, okay, Brahmaputra basin originates from Tibet in Mansarovar Lake, and Tibet is not the part of India. Okay, so when Brahmaputra originate and in India, it enters through the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and after Arunachal Pradesh, it covers the whole state of Assam, and after Assam, again Brahmaputra enters in another country named as Brahmaputra, and in Brahmaputra, when Ganga and Brahmaputra combined in Bay of Bengal, they form the largest delta of the world, and that delta is known as the Sundarban Delta. And Sundarban Delta is famous for its Royal Bengal tigers and Sundari tree. Here only remains Ganga river. Its origin place is in India, and 100% Ganga river present in India. Okay, originate from India and dispose its all water in Bay of Bengal. Okay, that's why Ganga river basin is the most important river basin of our country. The climate of the northern plains are extreme. Okay, the climate of the northern plains are extreme. That is hot in summer and cold in winter. So, if I talk about the climate of northern plains, they are hot in summer and cold in winters. Rainfall occurs during the monsoon season, and in monsoon season we get rainfall. The eastern part receives heavier rain than the western part, but the eastern part of our northern plains receives much heavier rainfall in comparison of western part. A large number of people lives in northern plain. So if we see, the majority of population of India lives at this northern plain. There are many important cities in the northern plain, and there are many major cities located in the northern plains. Due to industrialization, many factories have came up along the river bank. Okay, when industrialization take place, okay, many factories are set up on the bank of these rivers. The cities and factories are dumping their waste in the river, and due to the construction, okay, due to the establishment of factories, they are dumping, okay, they are continuously dumping their waste material in this river basins. It is causing pollution of the river water. It is a matter of serious concern. All of us should try to keep the river water clean. So when these factories are continuously dumping their waste in river basin, due to this, it causes your water pollution. Okay, and water pollution is a serious matter of concern. Okay, we always have to try to keep our rivers neat and clean. So my dear student, this is all about our northern plains. I hope you completely understood this chapter. Now your works come, go thoroughly through this chapter and complete the exercise based on this chapter. Okay, so this is all for today's session. I'm going to meet with you all in our next session with a new chapter. Till then, take very good care of yourself and bye.